Hey everybody, we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing some makeup looks, but I'm not going to be doing them. My daughter, Kayla, is going to be doing them. So you guys will get to watch her while she recreates her first makeup look. Alright, if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so I've already moisturized my face and she's wanting to do the eyeshadow first, so she's prepping everything that she's going to need. So I'm all yours.
Okay.
Red orchard. Ochre.
Great. And then my butter, and then I did that one. So basically add a pop. Okay. Alrighty.
You sure?
Yep. Okay. What? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with her eyes first. So I'm going to go in with the primer, the Fenty Beauty primer. Put this on as basically a prep. I'll do one eye. Put that. The first color I'm going to go in with is...
Wait, are you going to prime this side too, or just
No, I'm
one?
just going to do one at a time.
Okay.
And I'm going to go in with the red ochre.
You're going to have to pick it up so they can see it.
Yeah, this red ochre.
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 So do you want me to help you at all, or
No. Okay. Which way I guess. The next color I'm going to use is the Love Letter color. This one right here. It's like kind of like a bright hot pink, I guess. And I'm going to use that kind of to like layer over it to give it like a cute pinkish color. You should look bad for your makeup.
Oh, I should. That might be an upcoming video.
So I'm trying to put it outward, kind of, and like. So the next color I'm going to go in with is the Venetian Red. So, and it kind of has like a little sparkles in it, so it should give it like a little kind of pop. I'm going to go in with another red, which is a saffron red. That's how you say it. Right here.
What is it?
This one.
Saffron.
Saffron. So I'm going to give it kind of a glittery look, kind of. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow base, the NYX base, to kind of
Cut the crease? Is that what you're doing?
and like cut the crease. I found out with Instagram, and I was trying to recreate this look. So far, it's getting there, but it's different doing it on yourself than on another person. It's a lot different. The next palette I'm going to be using is the Huda Beauty, and I'm going to be using the Angelic color to basically put the color in.
So since you like doing makeup, could you ever see yourself being like a makeup artist?
If I got more of a teaching into it, more of like a training to a class course.
Like going to school for it?
Yeah. I could, but I wouldn't do it as a main job. I would do
Just
it
like a hobby?
You use the cashmere color. This one. So the last color that I used was the Nefertiti.
Missing? Nefertiti.
Next, I'm gonna do like a wing type of eyeliner thing, and I'm gonna use the Rimmel London.
Rimmel.
Rimmel London eyeliner. It's the last one did.
I have a ton over here if you need them. Did you say it didn't look right? And you about to do it on my face?
Oh, I did it on mine. It looked fine. Actually, let me just do it this way first.
You're making me nervous.
But it worked on me though. Mine's drying up, but it's easier. Do you have a pencil one like this?
Here.
The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline New York mascara. And I'm gonna put this on before I put the eyelashes on.
You really close to my eyeball.
What was I supposed to do?
Not get super close to my eyeball.
What you're supposed to do. That's what I do.
You get close to your eyeball?
Yeah. You're supposed to get like underneath everything.
To where your mascara is almost touching your eyeball?
Yeah. Maybe that's why sometimes mine hurts.
Oh my god!
You don't put mascara on.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know. It's when I look at your eyelashes, they look like frog toes. Like how you see those frog toes and they look like that.
They look like frog toes.
Yes, because I'm like why are they like that?
How do you put it on?
How I put it on? What you mean?
Oh my gosh! Do you see the big ass gap right there?
It's probably stuck already. It won't work.
Oh.
Okay, so now you've seen me do the first eye. Now we're gonna line forward while I do the other eye. Why are you doing that?
You're stabbing me with the bristles.
Nah, okay, I be stabbing myself. I don't be just jumping around. Just
But
stay
you just
still.
admitted that you stabbed yourself.
Who doesn't stab themselves?
Me!
What happens when you get back?
Because no, that is a lie. You better use it properly.
But I
Push it
am.
further back.
No.
That's why you're stabbing.
Yes.
It's not supposed
Yes.
to be. I'm gonna let
Because
you.
it's more of a control over the thing you need.
No. That's why I'm being stabbed in the eye because it's so close and you're doing this.
Well, I won't do this. I'll rub it, okay? What are you laughing? I'm trying to rub for you.
I just see you.
That's not working. Let's see.
I already put it up. Ew, did you just stick your finger in my mouth?
No, you have something on your mouth. It looks like wood or something.
Ew.
My finger is clean.
I hope so.
The only thing would be on it would be
What? Oh, I was gonna say. Oh my gosh, all the way up in there.
What? I was fixing you up. I was helping you. That's how it's supposed to be. You're supposed to get all up in the right. Close your eyes.
Sorry. Shoot, I was about to go to sleep. I ain't supposed to be doing the work. You supposed to be doing the work.
But you gotta keep your eyes open.
You was telling me to close them before.
When I was doing your eyeshadow.
I feel like you're gonna poke me in my eye with this thing.
Well, if you don't say it, won't happen. No, it's because it's like a lot there or something.
Okay, so then turn it around and use some of the foundation to blend it up. I don't know what is going on with this beauty blender. Feels different to me.
See, it feels like soft, like it doesn't feel firm to do anything.
No, it feels firm. Like it's soft, like how it's supposed to feel, but for some reason it's not like blending out the way it's supposed to. The way it works for me every day. I don't know why it's not working on your day. It's like it recognizes it's not me.
I'm blending it out.
It recognizes that it is not me. See, it even got you singing.
Well. No, you got wrinkles. Stop smiling. Don't smile. Let me blend this stuff out for you. I didn't need to pinch your nose. You're on your chin.
You pinched the fat under my chin. What do you mean?
I was trying.
See, that's why people contour their fat off their face, because of people like you who have no respect
What do you mean?
for the fat underneath our necks.
I do.
You pinched it and turned my face?
I mean, no, I didn't mean to like do that. I was just trying to play with your head.
By doing this? So rude. So I'm back with the finished look. I think all in all she did a really good job. I really like the eyeshadow. She really impressed me, but I already know that she does a great job doing makeup, so good job. Congratulations. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching us today and all of our crazy funny moments. I'm glad I was able to introduce you all to my daughter for the very first time. Hopefully this won't be her last time. We'll have her back on and do more makeup looks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.